Hello everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you all are good. So today here we are back with a new video on our architecture series, and this video is going to be on copying of views as well as annotations. I will also demonstrate how you can copy the sheets if there are typical floors. Every project has typical floors, and at that time if you do everything from the scratch, it is very time consuming. Okay, so as of now what we'll do here is we will go here on views, and we'll go through the floor plans. I'll open L1 floor plan, and you can see here that there are so many details, annotations, taggings and everything. Okay, and when I right click on this, you see here in duplicate view, Revit gives us three different options. So when you duplicate only, what will happen, just a view will be duplicated along with geometries as well as sections and then elevations, but all those taggings and all those dimensions, everything will be missing. So if I click here on duplicate, you can see here that there are no annotations at all. But again, if I go on to L1 and if I go duplicate with the detailing, what will happen in this scenario, whatever dimensions were there on level 1, again those all dimensions will be coming in. Again, all those dimensions will be coming in, and it is just the duplicate with detailing. But these two views that I have copied are not dependent on L1. If I delete anything from L1, it will not be deleted here. But if I right click here and if I go to duplicate as dependent, see what will happen. So this duplicate view will be created inside floor plan, and if I delete anything from here, for example, if I delete these two dimensions, again it's deleted from here also. Let me delete this dimension as well. Okay, see here what has happened. So now as that was a parent view, I have deleted three different dimensions, and they all are not seen here. Okay, so this is a dependent view which Revit gives us the option. So if we delete anything from the parent view, it will be deleted here. Okay, so this is with respect to duplication of views. But what if there is a typical view, what if there is a typical floor and you are said to copy everything, but again when it comes to annotations as well as sheet creation, you are thinking that you have to do everything from the scratch. Okay, so we'll find one sheet which will have multiple views in it. This is that sheet, detail sheet, and you see here that there are different views. So what I will do, I will go here, and again if I go to duplicate sheet, what happens, duplicate empty sheet. Okay, so duplicate empty sheet in the sense just this family will be copied, and then one more sheet will be added here in the project browser, but nothing will be coming with it. But if you go with sheet detailing, whatever title blocks you have filled in with the information, again those all information will be coming in. Duplicate with views, only views will be copied, but those views will not be having any detail in it. So we will see this duplicate with views option first, and see here now it is asking us, do you want to duplicate as an independent view or duplicate with the detailing? I will say that duplicate with the detailing. So once we do that, what will happen, see here, there is this sheet which has been created along with every detailing. Okay, but in Revit 2024 base version, this detailing option isn't there. Okay, what you have to do, you have to copy the annotations. For example, I will delete annotations from here. Let me go back here and let me say that generic annotations you delete, material tags you delete. Okay, so these are the 11 things that will delete from here, and then we'll come here to A1501. After that we will go and filter in geometric annotations, after that material tags. Okay, so there's two things we will copy here, and once you do that, You can come here to the other sheet that you have copied and align to the same place. Everything will be coming in. Okay. So annotations also can be copied from one view to another, but you have to make sure that it is a duplicate view. Okay. And if we see this title block here, let me delete the sheets now. And again, I'll be going and deactivating this view. You see that there are so many informations filled in. Okay. So what we will do this time, we will go to the sheet and we will say that duplicate with sheet detailing. So what has happened here, all the information that were filled in the project browser, it's there right in front of you. Okay, but what will happen if we just duplicate the sheet, empty sheet? See what will happen here. So what has happened here, there are no views, but this family has come in. Okay, this family has come in. Okay, so this is again learners duplication of views as well as sheets. This is very very handy when there are typical floors on the project and you have to work, you don't have to work again, you can simply uh, move further. Okay, and you can save a lot of time. So this is it, learners, and thank you for interacting, and thank you. As always, we will rise and shine together. Thank you so much. Thank you.